Hello Taurus, welcome to your monthly reading. So we're going to be looking at the month of July, Taurus. I will be pulling overall energy, spiritual, love, as well as career. Remember, not everything is going to resonate. Take what does, apply it, leave the rest. Also, Taurus, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell in order to receive notifications when I post. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. First, we're going to start off with some overall energies. Spirit, give me some overall messages for Taurus. Overall messages for Taurus. What can Taurus expect for the month of July? Messages for Taurus. Okay, Taurus. Ooh, I have justice. Vindication. I'm also hearing validation. So something's definitely going to be validated. I heard about you. Somebody's going to finally be able to see something about you. I'm getting like see the truth in you. The truth I heard in your existence. Yes. Something just is not going to be able to be denied, doubted when it comes to you. I'm also getting karma. You're going to have a lot of people getting their karmic justice. Things are just really going to be working out in your favor. The scales are tipping. You are on the right side of the wheel. So let's get another energy. So Taurus, I have relationships. I am attracted to those people who serve my higher good. So I feel like you are only going to be hanging around people, allowing people in your energy who is of a higher vibration. You don't want anything low vibrational. I'm also getting like divine union. For some of you, you're coming into partnership with your divine companion. I feel like you're really just going to be focused on having healthier partnerships and removing any type of distractions, people who really do not wish you well, who do not mean you any good. You're really going to be wanting people who are an energetic match to be around you. Next, we have guilt. I release any benefits that I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. So yeah, for some of you, this could be beliefs about relationships, from your childhood, things that you were told or made to believe, when you were growing up. I'm getting like stick it out. For some of you, you were taught like it doesn't matter how tough things get, you stick it out. It doesn't matter how toxic a relationship is, you stick it out. That is your husband, that's your wife, that's your brother, your sister. You stick it out. You have to deal with people's nonsense. You have to deal with people's behavior just because of who they are in your life, and you're recognizing that's not true. If you're with someone who does not honor you, who does not treat you right, whether it is a romantic relationship, friendship, family, you do not have to continue to allow that person in your life. You can set boundaries. Again, I am attracted to those people who serve my higher good. That's what I attract. I don't care who you are. I don't care if we're blood. I don't care if we're brother, sister, cousin. No. Do you serve my higher good? Are you really who I'm supposed to be hanging around? Are you someone who has good intentions? Like, I'm just getting like you're really going to be taking inventory of the people in your life. I'm also getting you're going to be in a very healthier and positive energy. Just very in tune with yourself. And also going back to guilt, it's like you're not going to feel bad about cutting off people. It's like, no, I have to do what's best for me. I'm also getting like distractions. I feel like there's going to be people who want to distract you. Who's going to try to kind of knock you off your game, so to speak. So it's like if you're doing something, that has to do with any type of goal that you have or endeavor that you're working on, there may be people who's trying to come in and, you know, create blockages because they don't want you to be successful. They don't want you to, you know, go to the next level. So definitely be very conscious of distractions, and also the distractions that you may cause in your own life. You know, maybe being on social media too much, talking on the phone, maybe hanging out a little bit too much. Like, make sure that you are really monitoring your time and what you're giving, you know, your energy to. So let's go ahead and get some more messages. Spirit, give me some more messages for Taurus. I am determined. So yeah, that's that. I will not give up. I am standing strong. I am standing tall. I'm also hearing the thrill is gone. So for some of you, with this I am determined in relationships, you're finally making up your mind about walking away from someone, from a particular situation that no longer is making you happy. Like, the thrill is gone. You no longer want to allow this person in your life. I'm also hearing Foolish by Ashanti. So there could be someone who feels bad for how they've treated you, somebody who's longing for you. I also feel like you're going to have a lot of people, I heard blasts from the past, who's going to try to come back around. So just be very careful with these energies and make sure that you're using your discernment. Let's pull some spiritual messages for you. Give me some spiritual energy for Taurus. Okay. Ooh, Taurus. Okay. I have True Offering. It says, may I release the fears, illusions, and addictions that keep me from true offering. May I relax into your plan, trusting that the next steps will always be shown. Use me, love. Use me for the highest. I am yours. So yes, letting God use you, you know, being that sacrificial lamb, like a true offering, it starts with you. And I like where it says releasing any fears, illusions, addictions, anything that keeps you from your true offering, that keeps you from your true self, that keeps you from living your best life. It's time to survey and get rid of anything that really is not beneficial for you. And that's what you're going to be doing. I feel like you're going to be prompted to do this. I'm getting like illusion, like anyone that's trying to paint an illusion, make things unclear for you. It's like you're going to be releasing this person or these people, letting it go fully. Because it's time to. God is ready to really balance things out in your life, Taurus. It's time for you. I heard like stepping stone. It's time for you to get to the next step, the next level. I'm also hearing practicality, spirituality. So just make sure that you're being very practical when it comes to your life. Of course, spirituality is very important, being connected to God. But just, you know, make sure that, you know, you're being realistic as well. Next, I have direction. Lord, please show me the right action right now. Please bring a sign and a miracle that gives clear direction. May I hear the promptings of my own body. And if for some reason I'm about to head the wrong way, please stop me. So yes, I feel like you're going to be getting a lot of signs, synchronicities in the month of July. So make sure that you're paying attention to the signs around you. I'm also getting like, pay attention to people's words and how they say things. That's going to reveal a lot about their true intentions, and just a lot about the person. I'm getting like key words. Pay attention to key words that are spoken to you. I'm getting like, listen to the sounds. For some of you, I'm hearing like God is going to be communicating with you through people. So just make sure that you are paying attention, that your discernment is on, that you're really tapped in. Yeah, I'm getting like a lot of communication. Make sure that you're paying attention to the types of communication that you're having. I'm also getting children. For some of you, God is going to be communicating to you a lot through children, through a child. I'm hearing a niece in particular for someone. So pay attention. So let's go ahead and get some spiritual energy. Give me some spiritual messages for Taurus. Some more spiritual messages, I should say, for Taurus. Everything in perfect balance. So again, that's that justice. Everything is coming back into harmony. You're receiving a lot of clarity. I'm getting peace. Just, you are entering a phase where things are going to be very peaceful for you. Balance is going to be restored. Anything that kind of like knocked you off kilter, so to speak, or created any type of instability for you, that is going to be washed away and made anew. Like God is, you know, restoring a lot of things to you. Yeah, I am hearing restoration. So you will be brought back to a place of stability, and not only brought back, but God is saying, I'm going to take you higher. So he's going to take you higher than you were before, Taurus. Let's get some more spiritual energy for you. Spirit, give me another message for Taurus. I have 2 Corinthians 13:11. Finally, brethren, farewell, be perfect, be of good comfort, be of one mind, live in peace, and the God of love and peace shall be with you. So yes, be perfect, be of good comfort, be of one mind, live in peace. So it's kind of like, I feel making peace. That's what I'm hearing. So for some of you, there may be people coming back around to make peace with you, or you may need to make peace with people. But it's like God wants you to operate in love. Like whatever you do in the month of July, make sure that it's coming from a place of love and that your intentions are pure. So let's go ahead and look at some love energy for you. I'm going to start with the singles and ready to mingle. So Spirit, give me some energy for Taurus singles. Oh, okay. So I have cold, clarity. So somebody who left you out in the cold, could have like blocked you, ghosted you, is now seeing things differently. Action is at the bottom. Somebody could be ready to take action, move towards you. Let's get one more message for Taurus. And Taurus, just really be mindful of distractions, because yeah, I've had a lot during your reading. You're the only reading where I've had like quite a bit of distractions. So just make sure you're really kind of blocking things out, blocking people out, so you can focus. I have release. Okay, I'm getting like release guilt. I feel like somebody's going to be releasing guilt. I'm also hearing like guilty pleasure. Tell me about cold for Taurus singles. Someone could be your guilty pleasure, Taurus, or you could be someone's guilty pleasure. I have the 3 of Pentacles in the reverse. So yeah, this is somebody who, yeah, could have ghosted you, who really didn't want to like work with you, who didn't want to build with you. Yeah, like this person like didn't want to, you know, give you an opportunity. If somebody didn't want to give you a chance, tell me more about cold. Or this is you, Taurus. You could have left someone out in the cold. I have the Ace of Swords, 7 of Swords, and the 9 of Pentacles. So yeah, you're definitely in your single energy, very abundant. I feel like the truth is going to be coming out as to what happened when it comes to the situation. I feel like with the Seven of Swords, like somebody was being very sneaky, very deceptive, and I feel like somebody wants to come and give you the truth of the situation. So somebody's going to be telling you like what happened, why they held back from you, why they didn't invest, why they have ghosted you. But yeah, you're going to be finding out why someone left you out in the cold, or why a situation just didn't work, didn't come together. For some of you with this Empress in the reverse and Justice in the reverse, yeah, and the Hermit, somebody's definitely come to speak up. Yeah, somebody wants to come and speak up. For some of you, this could have something to do with the mother of somebody's child, somebody they were married to, in a long-term commitment with. But yeah, somebody wants to give you what? Justice. Yes, this is you definitely getting your justice. Somebody finally letting you know what took place. Tell me more about clarity. Okay, so I have the Emperor. Okay, and Aries. Some of you could be connecting with an Aries. This is somebody who's just very stable, you know, businessman, put together, dressed good, looks good. Give me some more energy for clarity. Somebody's finally seeing you for who you are, seeing that you are a boss. You own your own. Give me some more energy for clarity. Temperance in the reverse. So somebody could be very impatient. Yeah. Somebody could definitely be very impatient. This could have something to do with a Sagittarius. Tell me more. Fire. Heavy on the fire. Aries and Sagittarius. Tell me more about the Emperor. Three of Wands. So for some of you, this person could have moved on. Could have, I'm getting like jilted you. You could have moved on from this person. Death, yeah. A cycle definitely closed, but I feel like with the Eight of Cups, like somebody wants to come back. Yeah, this person wants to return. This person may also watch you a lot online. Somebody can't move on. Two of Wands in the reverse. Somebody threw you a tower. Somebody definitely created some type of ending in your life. For some of you, this could have to do with like your stability, a family situation. I heard like in need of repair. Yeah, so somebody could want to work on things, fix things. Somebody like could have left you, you know, with no money, could have taken everything. Somebody could also be struggling financially. Somebody could have lost a lot. Somebody could also not be working. They could be out of work. Tell me more for the Three of Wands. Three of Wands for Taurus. The Knight of Wands. Okay, so okay, so I'm getting, don't forget about me, don't you? Don't forget about me. Okay, so this person is going to come rushing in because they do not want you to move on. Like this person feels like time is slipping away, Temperance in reverse, and they want to come rushing in before like you move on, you forget about them, you're no longer interested. Let's get some messages for Temperance. Tell me about Temperance in the reverse for Taurus. The Queen of Cups in the reverse. And the Ace of Wands. Tell me more about this Queen of Cups in the reverse. The Seven of Wands. Okay, so somebody is trying to block this person from coming towards you. Somebody's trying to stop this connection from moving forward. Somebody feels like they're running out of time though. Yeah. Somebody's going to be stopped in their tracks with the Hanged One. Yeah, somebody's not going to be able to move forward with whatever their plan is. Spirit is saying like their plan is going to be foiled. Let's get some energy for the Ace of Wands in the reverse. Tell me about the Ace of Wands in the reverse for Taurus. What do I have? The Ace of Pentacles. Oh yeah, somebody's trying to stop you from having a new beginning. Yes, most definitely. Somebody don't want you two to be together. Somebody don't want you to have a new offer, a new opportunity when it comes to love. This is someone from this person's past. 8 of Cups in the reverse. This could also be someone this person has children with. Page of Pentacles. This could have been a third-party situation. Somebody could also possibly be pregnant. I'm also getting like morning sickness. Somebody's having extreme morning sickness. But yeah, I'm also getting, all I do is think of you day and night. So you're heavily on this person's mind. This person is thinking about how they may have hurt you, betrayed you. But yeah, they want to bring in an offer, but there's definitely some interference. Give me some energy for release. Spirit, tell me about release for Taurus. Tell me about release for Taurus. The 8 of Pentacles in reverse. So yeah. Okay, so somebody's deciding to no longer wait around, to no longer work on things with someone. Somebody's being rejected with this Knight of Cups, and somebody's coming in and making an offer to someone else. So this person is rejecting someone and making an offer to another person. They're releasing it. Somebody's like releasing their past. Tell me more about release. For some of you, this could be somebody that you work with, you used to work with the 8 of Pentacles in the reverse. Yeah, release. Knight of Cups. Somebody is also like getting over rejection. So somebody could have rejected you. You could feel rejected, Taurus. Yeah, but it's like you're going to finally be able to get over it. That's what I'm getting with this Knight of Cups and the 8 of Pentacles in the reverse. Like you're going to be able to finally get over what didn't work out. What, you know, wasn't meant to be or never was. You're finally going to be able to move on for some type of disappointment. Tell me more about the 8 of Pentacles in the reverse. For Taurus. Okay. I have the King of Cups in reverse, 8 of Cups in reverse, and the 4 of Swords. Okay. So someone from your past feels foolish. Again, I'm hearing Ashanti. Yeah, somebody from your past feels foolish. They want to come back. This was somebody who was like, I'm getting ice cold. I don't know the exact lyrics, but that's the song that's playing in my head. So somebody was like definitely ice cold, like very emotionally uncut off from you. This person is thinking a lot about the past and like how they treated you. Give me some energy for the Knight of Cups in the reverse. Okay. Yeah, I have the 10 of Swords in the reverse. So I feel like you're healing. For a lot of you, you're healing over some type of rejection, a relationship that didn't work out, something that didn't come together the way you wanted it to. But yeah, it's like you're just in your releasing energy in the month of July. So let's get some messages for couples. Spirit, give me some messages for Taurus couples. Energy for Taurus couples. Okay. So I have someone new. Emotionally unavailable. Okay. So somebody could be getting into a new relationship. Tell me more about Taurus couples. Codependency. Okay. So somebody could be in a codependent relationship, but somebody's like heart chakra is blocked. Like somebody's just very cut off. I'm getting like, I'm tired of the games. Like this is just a very unstable connection, like back and forth. Yeah. I'm getting like childhood trauma. Somebody has childhood trauma, childhood issues. I'm getting neither has healed. So neither of you have healed, dealt with your issues. And it definitely shows when it comes to this relationship. Let's clarify. Taurus, you could also be having like issues with your throat chakra a lot. In the month of July, somebody could be trying to block your throat chakra. Be very mindful. Give me some energy for someone new. Tell me about someone new for Taurus. Okay, strength. Okay, for some of you, you could be dealing with a Leo. Give me another message for someone new. I'm also getting, because this video is broken up into pieces because I don't have to stop quite a bit for your reading, Taurus, which is like the only sign I've had to do that for today. But I'm getting like puzzle pieces. So for some of you, there could be a situation where it's like you're trying to piece something together. It's like a lot of moving parts to it. But it's like it's finally all going to come together. Like something's finally going to make sense. Like you're going to have an aha moment. Tell me more about someone new. Okay, the Six of Cups. Three of Swords. For some of you, you could be connecting with someone from your past. Tell me more about strength. Or a past life soulmate. Someone from your childhood. Tell me more about strength for Taurus. The Six of Swords. Okay, so somebody's walking away. Somebody's leaving a relationship. But we have the Ace of Cups. So somebody's having a new beginning. So for some of you, like you're walking away from a relationship. And like you're going to be having a new beginning with someone else. Someone from your past or a past life. Tell me more about the Six of Cups. So somebody's getting left for someone else. The Four of Pentacles. I'm hearing You're My Little Secret by Escape. So somebody's trying to keep this on a hush-hush. Somebody don't want other people to know that they're making an offer or accepting an offer from someone else. So somebody's leaving, walking away from a situation. And confidently doing so. Like, this is what I want. Like, somebody is determined and they're going to be with somebody else. Okay, yeah, somebody's closing out a cycle. Death. For some of you, you could be dealing with a Scorpio. 10 of Wands. Somebody finds something very burdensome. Yeah, something's just too heavy. It's just too much to deal with. Somebody's like, I'm so gone. Yeah, so gone over you, Monica. Give me some energy for emotionally unavailable. Tell me about emotionally unavailable for Taurus. What do I have? The Hierophant. Okay, so somebody could be getting a divorce, Taurus. That's your energy. Yeah, Three of Swords. This could have been a third-party situation. Somebody is cutting off communication. Somebody's saying, I don't want to do this anymore. I am done. So, yeah, somebody, like, just doesn't feel the same way. The Star in the reverse. Somebody doesn't see someone the same way. Somebody's not attracted to someone anymore. Yeah. Give me some more energy for emotionally unavailable for Taurus. Energy for emotionally unavailable. The Five of Pentacles. Somebody feels like they keep losing, like they keep missing. Okay, somebody feels like they keep missing out on other options, other opportunities. Like somebody's in that, you know, the grass is greener type of complex. Somebody wants to party and go have fun and just be single. Yeah, I feel like this is going to be very shocking. You definitely ain't going to be expecting this. Like, this is being hidden from you. This person not talking. They acting like everything is fine, but it's really not. Somebody has detached emotionally. Yeah. Tell me about the Hierophant in the reverse. The King of Swords. Oh, somebody can be kind of vicious and rude. Somebody can be like really mean. Somebody has a huge ego as well. Like somebody has a very inflated ego. Somebody like lets all of that attention go to their head. Yeah. But really don't have much to offer. King of Pentacles in the reverse. Is not that stable. Yeah. Tell me about the Five of Pentacles in the reverse. Knight of Wands came out. Yeah, somebody like feel like they missing out. Like, I'm missing out. I want to go have fun. Yeah, somebody like has an issue with like overindulgence. Like somebody has an addiction. Somebody is like obsessive almost with whatever their addiction is. It could be drinking, sex, whatever they are dealing with. They do too much of it. Yeah. And for some of you, this is a sex addiction. Somebody want to go off and be a player. Somebody want to go off and sleep around. Most definitely. Somebody could also have a child. Yeah, which you are going to be very displeased about. Yeah, but somebody want to go sow their oats, they wild oats. Somebody don't want to be married no more. They don't want to be tied down. Somebody's pulling back and saying, I'm going to go have some fun. Tell me about codependency for Taurus. Codependency for Taurus. What is this? Judgment. Okay. So somebody's going to be getting real. It's time to get realistic. Yeah. Somebody hasn't healed from childhood issues. Page of Wands in the reverse. Somebody's just still stuck there. It's time for a cycle to close. Yeah, all it is just negativity between you and this person. Just a lot of back and forth. Yeah, it's time to end the cycle. Somebody is like going to be getting realistic about a relationship. Seeing it for what it is. Seeing this person for who they are. Somebody just is done with the toxicity. Tell me more about codependency for Taurus. The Six of Wands. Yeah, because you're not getting what you want. Like, it's not successful. For some of you, you could live with this person. But yeah, have a family. But it's like, like, we're not getting anywhere by doing this. And I'm looking at the people on this card and it's like, yay, finally. I'm actually hearing the song Finally in my head right now. So yeah, it's like, finally you get it. Yay. Spirit is proud. Somebody's finally, accepting the situation for what it is, taking ownership. Tell me about judgment. Okay. The Five of Wands. Somebody's done with the arguing, the conflict. Somebody's just done. Somebody is over it. Yeah. I feel like all somebody do is nag and talk negative, and like you just sit there and listen. Like you tune this person out. Whenever this person gets going, they get in their emotions. They start, spewing hate and trying to talk down to you and create negative energy, trying to make you feel bad. It's like you just tune this person right out. Somebody tunes someone out and they know how to do it well. Like, they already know. As soon as this person comes home or as soon as you walk in the house, you already know it's going to be something negative. Tell me about the Six of Wands in the reverse. Tell me about the Six of Wands in the reverse. The Two of Cups. Oh, yeah, somebody's done. It's a done. It's a deal. A done deal. Yeah, somebody with this Two of Wands is realizing like this is not someone they can be with any longer. Like they don't want to stay here. They no longer want to plant a seed when it comes to this relationship. Yeah, somebody just can be very hateful, very mean, nagging all the time. Yeah. Somebody saying no. Somebody, I'm getting like overpowered. Like this person tries to control everything. Somebody feels like also they don't have any privacy. This person always in your business. Yeah. I'm hearing always on time by Ja Rule. Always there when you call, always on time. So this person like could like be monitoring like your whereabouts, actually timing you. Like if you say I'm 5 minutes away, this is somebody who will literally like pick up the phone and watch the minutes and see if you're actually home in 5 minutes. Like somebody could be like that petty. Like somebody monitors someone that much. Somebody treats someone like they're a child. All right, let's go ahead and get into some career messages. Give me some career energy for Taurus. I have the Three of Swords, the Two of Pentacles. Give me one more message for Taurus, career energy. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so somebody could be juggling their finances. Yeah, somebody's going like through some real hard times. Like, oh yeah, oh this is hard. A lot of hardships. Somebody's definitely not on the right side of this wheel with the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. Let's go ahead and clarify. Tell me about the Three of Swords. Somebody could have betrayed someone, or somebody is going to be betrayed. Tell me more about the Three of Swords. Okay. Something's coming to light about a betrayal at work. Yeah. Yep. Somebody betrayed someone. Someone could have thought that, you know, this information was never going to leak out. Something also could deal with a lot of people at work. But somebody has integrity, though. There's someone out of this group of people that has integrity and that wants to bring justice to someone. Give me some more energy for the Three of Swords. Oh, okay. Oh, yep. The Five of Swords in the reverse. So, yeah. What's coming to light is that there are multiple people coming up against you to create some type of hardship, disharmony in your life. Yeah, this was like a huge betrayal. What did I say? Seven of Swords in the Hierophant. Somebody don't have no integrity. Somebody literally thought they were going to get away with this. This could be somebody, I'm getting like high honor. So this could be somebody, who has a very prestigious position, someone at your job. This could also deal with a court situation, a judge, just somebody in authority, somebody in power who felt they were going to get away with something, who was going to get away with backstabbing, betraying someone. But this is like a group of people coming together to betray this person. And now it's coming to light. Give me some messages for the Two of Pentacles. Give me a message for the Two of Pentacles for Taurus. The Eight of Cups. The Six of Swords. The Four of Swords, the Ace of Cups. Somebody could be passing away, Taurus. With the Six of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Ace of Cups, yeah. It's definitely going to be a lot of people crying. Somebody's passing away. Somebody with this Hangman, somebody could pass away in their home. Before dawn. Yeah, somebody's going to be in great sorrow. Give me another energy for the Two of Pentacles. energy for the Two of Pentacles. The Devil in the reverse. Yeah. You know what? Somebody just wouldn't stop. Somebody wouldn't walk away. Like, somebody kept trying to do something, trying to, yeah, come up with something. Like, something have to work. Somebody wouldn't stop. Somebody kept doing something. Somebody wouldn't listen. Yeah. Somebody kept up with the drama. Yeah. Somebody didn't know when to walk away. Somebody kept at it. Somebody wasn't being wise. Tell me more about this Eight of Cups for Taurus. The Nine of Cups. The Ten of Wands. Somebody wanted to create a lot of burdens for you. Yeah. Somebody wanted to make things hard for you. Yeah. It made them happy to see you struggle, to see you go through different challenges. Yeah, like somebody just kept going. Like somebody wanted burden after burden to happen to you, Taurus. Tell me about the Devil in the reverse. For some of you, this person could be a Capricorn, a Pisces, a Cancer. Yep, the Five of Pentacles. Somebody wanted you in lack. Somebody wanted you to suffer. Somebody wanted you homeless. Somebody wouldn't stop until, like, you know, they completely destroyed you. Like, yeah. Somebody wanted you destitute. Somebody wanted you to go through. Somebody wanted you to struggle. Yeah, somebody only, when they thought of you, the only thing they thought was evil. Somebody had evil intentions. Give me some energy for the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. The Seven of Swords. Somebody thought they was going to get away with this, though. Like, somebody thought they were going to get away with this, but somebody is going to be grieving. Somebody's going to be grieving a loss. Yeah. Somebody's going to pass away. Tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. The Wheel of Fortune in the reverse for Taurus. The King of Wands, the Four of Swords. For some of you, this person could be a fire sign. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. I'm getting like move. Somebody's not gonna be able to move. I heard like a vegetable, like a vegetated state. Somebody is going to end up like in a vegetated state. Somebody's going to end up on life support. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. Somebody, but this is karma. This is somebody's karma. The Hangman. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. The Knight of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles. Okay. Let's get an energy on this King of Pentacles. Tell me about the King of Pentacles. Okay, I didn't even see these, but I'm not going to put them down. But I have the Ten of Swords, Eight of Swords in the reverse, the Sun, the Seven of Swords, the Seven of Cups. Someone could be a Leo. Something could also have something to do with two people with this 8 of Swords and 10 of Swords. Ah, okay. There's going to be a violent altercation that's going to take place. Yeah. There's going to be a violent altercation that takes place. Somebody could end up getting seriously hurt, injured. This could even end in someone's demise. But a violent altercation is going to take place. Somebody could also be drinking a lot with the 7 of Cups. Somebody could be delusional, confused. But yeah, somebody's going to have to defend themselves. Yeah, a violent altercation is going to take place. I'm getting sunrise, when the sun rise. So this may happen like, I'm getting like daytime. I'm also getting like in the wee hours of the morning. But yeah, there's definitely going to be somebody getting hurt. Tell me more about this King of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles in the reverse. Somebody's, ooh, and then a Knight of Wands. Okay, so somebody was a player from the Himalayas. Yeah. Somebody could have lost their job. 3 of Pentacles in the reverse. Yeah. Somebody could have been fraternizing at work, dealing with up to 3 people. Yeah, somebody's status is getting ready to change. Somebody is like the King of Pentacles, but now they're going to be the Page of Pentacles in the reverse. Somebody's going to have to start over when it comes to their finances. Yeah, things are really going to come in slow for this person. Somebody's in Hangman right now, so nothing's really working out in their favor. Yeah, somebody, yeah, is in like time out right now. Let's get some energy for the King of Wands in the reverse. Tell me about the King of Wands in the reverse. Yeah, somebody's definitely going to pass away, because even how this King of Wands is positioned in the 4 of Swords, this looks like somebody going to view the body. So somebody's going to be viewing someone's body. Tell me about the King of Wands in the reverse. Sorry to get so dark, Taurus. But yeah, someone did something to you, said something about you. Like it was just an unjust situation that happened. And at the beginning of your reading, I have Justice, Libra energy. So for some of you, this could have something to do with a Libra, but things are balancing out. Karma is here. Tell me about the King of Wands in the reverse. The Ace of Swords. Okay, so a truth is coming out and nobody's going to be able to stop it. So the truth is coming out and nobody's going to be able to stop it. That's what I'm getting. Somebody tried to ruin someone's reputation, stop someone from moving forward. Somebody tried to paint someone in a bad light. Let's get another energy on this King of Wands in the reverse. Somebody holds the truth, though. That's what I'm getting with this Ace of Swords. The Queen of Wands in the reverse. Okay, so this is a divine counterpart. But both people are in the reverse. So this is 2 people who are very low vibrational. Yeah, 2 low vibrational people. Didn't really have much going for themselves. The truth about these 2 people are going to come out. About these 2 people working together, collaborating together. Tell me more about this Ace of Swords. The Ace of Cups in the reverse. So someone was jealous. Okay. Yes. A group of people were jealous. Competing with you, Taurus. The truth about how people feel about you is going to come out. You're finally going to be able to see how people truly feel about you. When it comes to your co-workers, a work situation, current, past, it doesn't matter. But you're finally going to see how people really feel about you. People don't care. That's what I'm getting with this Ace of Swords and the Ace of Cups in the reverse. Tell me more about this Queen of Wands and this King of Wands. Give me a message for the King and Queen of Wands. The Star in the reverse. Okay, so their reputation is going to be completely tarnished. Yeah, this Queen of Wands, King of Wands, 2 fire signs, like their reputation is going to be tarnished. Yeah, people are going to see the truth in these people. Yeah. That they're not upstanding people. Yeah, somebody's reputation is going to be ruined. Tell me more about the 4 of Swords. The 9 of Pentacles in the reverse and the 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody's going to be gathering. Like whatever this person had, this earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, like it's going to their family. That's what I'm getting. Like whatever this person had is going to go to their family. Or their children. Yeah, judgment has been called on the situation. This is the finale. This is the end. I want to get one more on the Ace of Cups before I move on to your final messages. Give me some energy on the Ace of Cups. Yeah, whatever this person had, whatever this person built is going to their family. The 9 of Wands. Somebody can't hold back how they feel about you. Yeah. Somebody don't like you. Like they can't hold it in anymore. Yeah. You're definitely going to be learning the truth about how people feel about you. What was said about you, Taurus. Yeah. Like a lot of things are coming to the light. I'm getting hurtful. So, you know, it is going to be hurtful to hear these things. But ultimately, like at least you know where you stand. And I'm getting like everything is working together for your highest good. So, you know, don't dwell on the negativity. But yeah, there's definitely a lot going on when it comes to the situation. So let's go ahead and get you some final energy. Spirit, give me some final messages for Taurus. Yeah, I heard disdain. Like somebody has disdain for you. Like, yeah. They can't hold it in anymore. Somebody wishes like the worst for you. I have, come on, I was protect your energy. Yeah, black tourmaline. Yeah, so definitely make sure you're protecting your energy in the month of July. It's going to be very important for you to do so, especially with all of this energy that is surrounding you. I believe I got a similar reading for Pisces when it came to the career portion, Taurus. So you may want to go look at Pisces reading. You may have a Piscean placement. But yeah, protect your energy because, yes, just people, not everybody means you well. Give me one more message for Taurus. One more message for Taurus. Emotions are running high. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Super moon. Yes, emotions are definitely going to be running high for you, Taurus. Yeah, you may find yourself just being very upset, very much in your feelings about everything that's going on around you, all this information that's coming out. Emotions are definitely going to be running high with these people going through their karma. Yeah, it's just really going to be a very chaotic time for some people, but just make sure that you are remaining balanced and you're releasing whatever needs to be released so you can maintain your peace. So, Taurus, these are your messages. I hope they resonate. Stay true to thyself and real with thyself. Grow with me as I grow with you. Taurus, stay blessed.